The mercy of Almighty here in Nakshatra Preschool for Little Wonders, we are yet again having a celebration. Now this is a celebration of my son's birthday today. Earlier we celebrated his star birthday. Today we are celebrating his date birthday. That is 7th of August 2024. He is celebrating his birthday, and here in Nakshatra School everything is set here. The little ones are here. We have Palada Pradhaman here. This is the Pal Pradhaman. And we have the Ambala Prasadam here. This is all Ambala Payasam and Ambala Prasadam. We have the chocolates, we have the lays, and the children are having full fun. Now let's start the song. Shreya, come on. Come. Now this is for you, Sujay. Come on, once again. God bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. Very good. Everybody clap. Everybody clap. And everybody will say, Happy birthday. Sujay uncle, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sujay uncle. Happy birthday, Sujay uncle. So here the celebrations are never ending. I know that they are very eager upon to pounce on the chocolates, lays, payasam, prasadam and adapradhaman. So let's start. Okay, everybody will have one chocolate and one lay, and after that you will have the payasam. Okay, edutho Ridan oru chocolate edukka avada pakko. Everybody onnu kodukka, ellarkku oronnu kodukku, and let everybody should have one chocolate, one lace. Onnu kodukku Rushana. ഒരു ചോക്ലേറ്റ് ഒരു ലേ എല്ലാവർക്കും ലേസ് അവിടെ ഇരുന്നോ പായസം ടീച്ചർ കൊണ്ട് തരും ഓക്കെ ഗുഡ് അത് ഇനി പായസം കൊടുത്തോളൂ ആർക്കാ പായസം വേണ്ടത് ആർക്കാ പായസം വേണ്ടത് പായസം കൊടുത്തോ അവിടെ അത് കൊടുക്കുക അതെ ഇത് കൊടുക്കാം പിന്നെ